Morning.
Morning.
Ay, perfect. Where do you want to sit? Everyone, it's our day 5.
Oh, day 5!
Day 5 here in Athens, Greece, and we booked a trip going to Meteora and Delphi. We'll be there for 2 days, today and tomorrow. So we bought a lot of things, like a huge bag. Yeah, and this was supposed to be our bus, but they kicked us out. No, but because I think the services that or all the passengers are doing a day tour only, so we're going to wait for the other people or the other passengers that are doing a 2-day tour. Yeah. So there you go. No, just one. Transfer. I think all of the people here are doing a 2-day tour.
Everyone has a luggage. That's for sure.
So we got a huge bag. I think it's okay to eat here.
The bus has
Yes.
toilets.
Good.
This is gonna be in English Italian. Il nostro giro sarà in inglese e italiano, due lingue.
We're having a roller coaster. It's actually
Our Italian friends, i nostri signori italiani, o Leandri, e Korea, yes? Chile. Okay. Floridis Rodelio, yes?
Philippines.
Philippines. Eugenia Mitrakas, yes? It's an international neighborhood with lots of different descriptions and lots of different languages.
In this area.
So we're leaving Athens little by little. You see, please, the church here to the right. It is a Christian Orthodox church.
This is a gift coming from Athens International Airport.
So let me give you, please,
specifically from
a few
Atlanta.
details about the first day
I
of
don't
our
know
tour.
what this is, but we'll
Living in
try to
Athens,
eat it
we
because I'm
traveled for
hungry.
about 2
So,
days in all.
just
Ripetete come
checking
capiscono in italiano
our
che nel
location.
prezzo del suo biglietto avete già
Our
pagato
destination,
per
we're heading
i
to
biglietti
Kalambaka.
di Delphi e di Monasteri delle Meteore.
We're heading to
Gli
Kalambaka.
alberghi
We're
dove
still
si sta
here.
stasera, come abbiamo
And
2 alberghi.
It's just
La
an inch
cena,
away
la
from
cena
Rome.
è inclusa stasera.
In
L'unica
Serbia,
cosa
here
che
in
non è
Croatia.
inclusa ci sono le
Yeah, it's so
bevande della
close.
cena, si
Gosh,
paga per
that's
le bevande.
France.
At 11 o'clock.
We got 30 minutes to break it. We're stopping here to take toilet or whatsoever. Some of the toilets here doesn't have a lock, so if it's closed, it means there's a person inside. Here's the coffee shop. There on the other side. Our 30 minutes break here. I forgot what coffee shop it is, but I'm having this bread.
Isa lang binili mo pala.
He's also having bread. Yeah, I only bought one. Kasi magla-lunch tayo after.
Okay. So, okay. 6. Okay.
A nice view at the back. There's a
Better
mountain.
view on the side.
Yeah. Okay. And there's the best view on the far side. This is the coffee shop that we stayed in for 30 minutes. But it's already done, so we're going back to the bus. Yes, it is.
Yeah, I don't know if this one or the other one.
Are you with the two-day tour?
No, one day.
I think the
The other or this you today?
yeah. Yes,
It's cold outside.
I'm happy. Just
Delphi. Monument to the right, monumento sulla destra. Please wait a height of 1,000 meters above the sea level.
quick stop to see the village of Arakova. Oh, I love it. So this is the village of Arakova. We're in Greece. It's our bus, and we're having a photo shoot.
Hi!
We're now here at the entrance of Delphi. It's 12 degrees. I got my ticket. It cost €6 here at Delphi. Be back here on the place 1:15 p.m.
We passed from Thebes, Levadia. Siamo passati da Tebe, Levadia. And now we're precisely here, Delphi. Ecco il nostro posto, Delphi.
Argos. So we were supposed to be in a group tour, but decided to just go on our own. Just wanna see the site. Now reach the theater, La Theater. That's it. Finally, I was able to get up here at the top of the mountain. As you can see, that's the theater. I'm running out of breath. Got this to be able to reach the stadium. Okay, here it goes. We've been walking for almost 30 minutes, and just a little bit more, I'll be able to reach the stadium. This actually looks like Baguio, but it's colder. Konti na lang. Finally, there's a braille for the blind. This is the stadium. It's huge. An oval stadium. Wow, walking like fashion model. New York fashion. I know. Greece.
We made it in Greece!
Yes.
From where you can take photos, pictures of the port side. That means that the port is visible from up there, so in this way you can see precisely the whole of the valley, the port, and also a very big aqueduct of drinkable water.
So we're actually done visiting Delphi, and now we're heading for a lunch. We got an hour here to dine. Heading to the garden, to the balcony rather. Wow. This is awesome. I'm right now here at Thermopylae. That was the statue of one of the Spartans, and this is actually the place where the famous 300 battle happened. So at my back is a monument that represents the 700 Thespians that fought battle alongside with the Spartans.
As we mentioned before, loss of cotton in the area.
Just been here for 20 minutes. Enjoy some food. What do I want? This is $2.50. A bit pricey. No, that. So I bought some snacks. Bought these waves. Not happy with what I bought, but it's kind of okay.
First, the district of the northern part of Greece. That is a very old land.
This is the place that we're about to visit tomorrow. Bye guys, see you tomorrow. Hotel is actually just in front of Vina. Here are our buffets.
What time, please, you want your dinner? The restaurant here, the dinner is served, but that means that we don't have a buffet.
A buffet.
So it's not a buffet, not un buffet. So you must come all together.
But it's too
Mariana, allora facciamo più tardi.
8 o'clock?
Okay.
Alle 8?
Japan,
8 o'clock?
It's
Alle
okay.
8?
devi
It's okay.
chiedere al Asian people.
Is that okay for you if we do 8 o'clock? Are you sure? 8
It's
o'clock.
okay.
È fatto. Tomorrow morning, please. Breakfast starts here at 7 o'clock. La prima colazione la prima colazione comincia alle 7. And not Barcelona here, not Catalonia, signora. And we depart from here 8 o'clock. Partenza alle 8. You pay also tax of the room, and this tax of the room it is €1.50 per room. Rodelio? Yeah. And Pietro Conforti?
Good night. 126. Adiba 0, 1, 2. Oh wait, first floor.
You go here?
Yep. Oops.
No, this is
Oh,
second.
it's it's first. It's first. So we are currently here at Orpheus Hotel. This will be I will be staying here over night. Room number is 126. It's just across Divina, which is the more, expensive one. They don't have an electronic key, so
Check in taxi room.
okay. And insert the card. There you go. Room. Yeah, very simple. It's like a room in the Philippines. It's like a bahay, It's like it's like my room in the Philippines, you know?
Oh, you said it's like a room in the Philippines.
It's okay. Oh, di ba? Kasya ka ba dyan? Legs pang legs lang yan. That's our CR. Pretty decent. It's okay for an overnight stay. But that will be the end of the vlog for today. That's the Klook Tour of where we have been from Delphi to Meteora to Kalambaka. That's a 400 kilometers bus ride. See you tomorrow. Bye.